This is how you replace the LEDs on a Pioneer SG-9800 or SG-9 equalizer. So all you need to do is remove the sliders. They pull straight out and may require a little force. Just make sure you don't twist too hard, otherwise you'll break the black retainer that holds the LED in. So once you have all the LED covers, or I'm sorry, sliders removed, the LEDs all go in the same way that you take them out. So when you remove one, you'll see that the long lead faces the bottom of the unit. All you do is take all your LEDs out and slide your new ones in. Just like so. You can do this with the unit powered on. This is extremely low voltage, nothing will happen. And it's actually good to do it that way, because if you have one installed incorrectly, none of them will light up. So again, pull it straight out, make sure the orientation, long leg down. And that's it. And you're good to go. You have bright new LEDs.